Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today I wanted to go over the battery life on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and I just wanted to say battery life has been amazing. I'm at 26% right now. It is 11:11 a.m. and I haven't charged my phone since yesterday. Actually, I unplugged it yesterday morning at about 7:45 a.m. So I've been going since yesterday at 7:45 a.m. all day yesterday and part of today on one charge. If we hop over into the battery information here, we can see I've been on battery for 1 day and 3 hours with 4 hours of screen on time. So I know that's not a lot of screen on time, but it's a lot of standby time. So if you swap that around and you had a lot of screen on time and less standby time, you would be getting about 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. And I have gotten about 6 hours of screen on time when I'm using my phone more consistently and there isn't a lot of standby using up battery life. So like I said, 26%, 3 hours and 59 minutes of screen on time, which is about 27% of all the other apps, 1300 milliamp hours of battery usage for the screen. You can see the graph here is kind of a slow curve down, so the battery isn't dropping substantially when we're using the phone, which is really nice. I do notice it holds at 1% for a pretty long time, like it'll stay at 26% for a pretty long time while the screen is on, so the battery does not drop quickly at all. And this is with web browsing, watching videos on YouTube, stuff like that. The battery is amazing, and we did just cross over to exactly 4 hours on the screen on time, so that is amazing. Self-standby Android OS, most of the Android stuff uses most of the battery since we are, like I said, I had a lot of standby time, but amazing battery life, definitely much better than the Note 8. I would end the day on the Note 8 probably with about 10%, if not less, or having to plug it in. This one, you can see I went to the next day and I'm partially into the next day with the same charge. So that is very nice. I do have my screen brightness turned up quite a bit here. That's where I've left it. That's probably, I would say, about 85%, if not maybe a little more. But the battery life has been tremendous, and adding the 4,000 milliamp hour battery was definitely a great move. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.